Greetings. I'm Ann Clark, Chair of the Religion Department. First, I want to say congratulations, Class of 2020. This is a huge accomplishment, and you should all be very proud of yourselves. And also, congratulations to your families and friends who have supported you during your time at UVM. I know I speak for everyone in our department when I say that we share a strong connection and feeling of pride for all you have accomplished, especially in the face of this global crisis. You have forged a deep and enduring set of connections during your time at UVM and 481 Main, and we have had the privilege of watching you develop your own intellectual paths. You embody the value of studying religion, and now you bring this understanding into a wider world that so critically needs it. Now, after a semester unlike any other, you are truly the unforgotten, unforgettable Class of 2020. Congratulations on your accomplishments, and please stay in touch.